So your favorite artist just dropped a song and you want to do a cover for the song, but you don't know how to mix and you want to put it out ASAP. So the plugin is called Isotope Nectar. You click vocal assistant, then it's going to come up with this. It's going to show you, ask you, do you want assist or mass? Most times you want assist because you're trying to use the mixing preset in it. All right, then next, then you take this to light. All right, you don't want it to be over compressed. All right, then go to next. Then it's going to ask you to play your audio. All you have to do is play your audio now, and it's going to listen.
Yeah, do not disturb me, please. Do not disturb my peace. Baby girl, I want you, please.
So now it's done analyzing. All right, then click accept. It's going to show you the pitch, the gate, EQ, DSR, another EQ, compressor, and a reverb plugin. All right, and then we listen now.
Do not disturb me, please. Do not disturb my peace. Baby girl, I want you, please. Do not disturb me, please. Do not disturb my peace. Baby girl, I want you.